Greetings and welcome to the Hydroponic Day 19/20 update. Alright, so some cool stuff. More stuff done on that hydroponic regulator system I'm building. All the info on that is on the video posted right before this one. So go check that out. It's starting to look really cool. So I am very, very excited to see how it turns out. But that's not what you came here for. So let's get into the hydroponics. Kind of interesting stuff from yesterday. Frankly, there isn't any. They're just plants. They're growing. They're getting pretty big, so that's great. So yeah, little to no tip burn us at this moment. So successful batch so far. That was kind of one of our criteria. Anyway, let's get into it. Alrighty, starting off with our CO2 ppm, we are running at 430 today, 22 degrees Celsius and 78% humidity. So pretty high humidity, which is actually pretty good. Anyway, let's graph that, and then let's check out our observations. Alrighty, so this is the inside of the tank. The plants are getting pretty dang big. I'm lowering the grow lights because, as you can see, they're sprawling out, and it'd be more ideal if they took up a smaller footprint. However, we'll let it fly. Looking below the tank, there's quite a few roots, so that's awesome. And the pump's running right now, so that's great. And then on the right tank, we've got a similar situation, not quite as developed, but kind of an interesting thing is that we see that Buttercrunch likes to sprawl outwards, whereas Romaine seems to like to go up. So kind of cool. Anyway, let's check the ppm and pH. Looks like our pH is running at 5.78, so I will applicate some pH up to that. Anyway, let's graph that and check our ppm. ppm is running at 1018. EC is at 2036, and temperature is 23.0. Anyway, let me graph those, and let's move on to the left tank. Looks like our pH is running at 5.87. That's actually what the other tank was. It changed last second. Anyway, check ppm and EC. Looks like our ppm is running at 424. That's really low. 840 for the EC, and temperature of 23.1 degrees Celsius. So very low EC. Let's check out our graphs. Alright, here's our graphs. Very interesting data. As you can see, our CO2, ppm, temperature, and humidity are all about the same as yesterday. The pH has dropped on both tanks, so I will applicate some pH up. And in addition to that, the ppm has dropped really low on the left tank. The right tank is still fine, but the left tank I will purge sometime tomorrow. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. Tune in for tomorrow's update.